In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for CVS Pharmacy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, we need to open up a web page and go to google.com. Now from here, type in promo code for CVS Pharmacy. Then hit enter. Then from here we're going to be taken to Google search results, and as we can see, we've got a few different third-party sites offering these coupon codes, promo codes. We've got Coupon Follow offering 20% off, Real Time Me Not 50% off, coupons.com, etc. So the one I like to use is either Coupon Follow or Real Time Me Not. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go into couponfollow.com with 20%. But once we're here, you can see even better discounts. We've got 45% off your CVS pharmacy order with this code. So to activate it, we just want to simply click on show coupon code, and then there's the code there. Copy that and paste that to redeem at CVS at the checkout section to enjoy 45% off your CVS pharmacy order with code. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so they might look different and they do expire. If one code expires, just move on to the next one.